Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to sum in Google Sheet. So firstly insert data which you want to sum. In my case I want to sum this data. So firstly select this cell. Now click on this function icon. So click on this drop down. Here is the option sum. So select it. Then press enter. That's it. So it's a very quick and easy method to sum in Google spreadsheet. Firstly enter your data, then select the cell where you want to sum, then click on this drop down and click on sum. Now you need to select data which you want to sum. So I want to sum this all data, then press enter. That's it. By this quick method we can know how to sum in Google Sheet. Thanks for watching.